Okay, this is the kittens are all awake now video. Here it is, Goose. There it is. There it is, Goose. Here it is. We're all awake now. What, Marty? Marty just has to talk. We're all awake now. We're all awake now. Here you go, Turtle. Go get it. Go get it, Turt. Come on, Turt, 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 Turt. There it is. There it is. What are you gonna do? There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Come on my lap. There it is. There it is. There it is. Coming up on my lap. Push, push. Up here. It's on my lap. On my lap, Dirt. Oh, it's up here. See. There it is. There it is. What is it? What is it, Turtle? What is it, little turtle head? What is it, Marty? Okay. Go get it, Terry. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, babies. Kitten video. Kitten video. I'm gonna go in a little closer on you guys. I know Marty on my shoulder. There's a Marty on my shoulder. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Marty on my shoulder. Ooh. Don't sing the stupid song during the video. This video. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's play and get in. Here, little orange guy. Here it is. Here it is. Wake up. Come on out. Follow it. Follow it. Follow it. Out of the bed. You were up a second ago. Come on, tiny one. See. My sins. Bless you, Terry. Bless you, Terry. Look at you guys. Look at you, Ursula. You're playing with that turtle. Wow. Wow. See. Oh, there it is. Kittens. Yeah, there you see it. There it is. There it is. There it is, silly orange boy. There it is. Oh, get that light. Get that light. Get that light. Splash and move. You get the mouse. You get the mouse. What are you doing up there on the box? Everybody's very busy. We woke up. We're having a snack. And Priscilla, queen of the kittens, just having a snuggle. She said, I ran around a second ago. And the Marty? I know the Marty always says something. Marty does say something. Oh, get in the box. Get in the box. Get that box. Fuss. Kittens, yummy. Kittens. Oh, here's a good video, kids. It's a good video. You gonna get the mouse, Turtle? Oh. Get that box. Get that box, silly one. You got food all over your nose. You got food stuff all over your nose. I'm gonna clean you up before your next video. Clean you up. Little Ursula. Little Ursula. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that face. Show that face. Where's Bison? Who's that face? Anyone? What? She's talking. Yeah. This is why kittens go in pairs, so they have people to do this with. It's a good thing to have a friend when you're a kitten. When you're a cat, too. Oh, there's some kitty action there. Bus. Silly bugs. Oh, silly bugs. Oh, my silly bugs. Yeah, I know. Why don't you get down and play? Muddy, get off my shoulder. Go do a kitten thing. Go do a kitten thing. And get the laser light? Mud. Muddy, here. Turn around. Get off on my lap. Turn around. Look at this. Look, 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 look. There it is. There it is. No, I chased it in the last movie. Now I just want to cuddle. Oh, everybody's going amok. Mud, how come you guys don't want to play? Turtle! Okay, Marty. Okay, Priscilla, you just snuggle on my lap. Everybody else is going crazy. They're going kitten crazy. Kitten crazy. Oh, Turtle. What you got? You got some lint. You got some laundry lint. Have a laser light. Oh, Turtle. Oh, oh, crash. Kittens everywhere. Alright. I don't know if I can show this, but I got Maud and Priscilla each on a shoulder. Oh no, you're escaping to the clean laundry, Scylla. Don't do it. Don't escape to the clean laundry, Syl. What, the Maud? Who's the shoulder, Maud? Yeah, I know they're talking all the time. Kitty on the shoulder. Kitty. My babies. That's my babies on the shoulder. There's my ones. And everybody's rocking over there. Alright, anyway, this is just to show that these are kittens. And when they're not resting, they're playing. When they're not resting or playing, they're eating. And during the time that they are resting and playing and eating, they are constantly growing. Just the babies. Come meet them. Come meet them and take some home. They're very good babies. And Marty and Priscilla would like to ride on your shoulder. If you take them home, they would like to do that. Oh, there she goes. Right, Maud? And she will always want to tell you about what's going on in her little Maudie mind. Because she talks all the time. Oh, kittens. Kittens. That's why they can actually have a TV station for stuff like this. Because it's so good to watch. Nothing like kitten TV. Nothing like kitten TV. Turtle? Yeah, it's my baby boy. Alright, Stella, Queen of the Kittens. That bug-eyed girl. Where's Bison? Watch out, Marty. Our mama's getting up now. We're gonna process your video. Yes, we'll process your video. We post it. If it's good of you guys on my shoulder, because you're so good, my girls, my sweet girls, my sweet lovely girls. And this is my little turtle, because he used to fit perfectly in the palm of my hand, and he would lie on his back, and he will still do it. He will still do it. Lie there like a little turtle. Much better with 2 hands now. I only have 1. Isn't that right, my little turtle? Oh, tiny turtle boy. My sweet baby. Where's my sweet tiny turtle boy? Yes. You just lie on your back in my hand, just like a little turtle on its back. I love you, turtle. You're a very cute boy. Okay, go about your turtling business. I'm gonna go get somebody. Come on, get the mousey. The mousey. Oh, it's a mousey. Alright, little monkeys. Let's turn this off.